Hi, it's Brittany with Authentic Globetrotter, and today I am staying at the SO Bangkok in Thailand. And I booked this hotel through the Hotel Collection, which is through American Express Travel. They have all sorts of perks. If you have an American Express card, I believe Hotel Collection opens up starting at the gold card and it goes up to platinum, Centurion, all of those different things. But the room that I booked was the SO Cozy, and I was upgraded as part of a perk of the Hotel Collection to the SO Comfy room. The difference in the room is that with the first, you get a view of the park, or I'm sorry, a view of the skyline. And with the second, you get a view of the park, Lumpini Park, and the skyline. So I will take you through and show you that shortly. It is absolutely beautiful. And this hotel is set up to represent different elements. So it's metal, water, wood, and earth. And as you can tell by all of the blue around me, I am in a water room. So I would love to take you around and let's go. All right, folks, let us cut to the chase and start with this amazing view. Wow. Look at that. That is Lumpini Park. That is the skyline in the back, the lake. You can see people walking around, enjoying the park. And then if you look down, you can see all of the infamous Bangkok traffic. Wow. But this is absolutely beautiful. All right, I know that was views first, but that is most important. But let's go and take a look at this room next. Okay, let's get this room tour going. So when you walk in the room, this is what you're greeted by. On the left-hand side, there are all sorts of panels. These are some buttons to control if you want your do not disturb sign on, if you need cleaning, turning light fixtures on and off, of course, controlling the temperature. I'm going to continue on the left. This is the washing facilities. So when you first walk in, to your left, this is a shower, nice and spacious, filled with all of the things you need to take a shower, your shower gel, your shampoo, your conditioner. It does have a shower system where you can use the handheld, or if you like rain head, that is up above. Okay, stepping out of the shower, nice, beautiful tile. The very next door is going to be your restroom, complete with a douchette to the left. Again, nice tile work. All right, moving right along, you have your sink. It is a single sink. It has your magnifying mirror, your traditional long mirror, hello, and all of the things that you would need to make sure that you can get ready in the mornings, at nights, whenever you need to freshen up. You have your hand wash, you have your hand or body lotion, and they also have some nifty things in here, such as your cotton pads. Of course, they've got your toothbrush, toothpaste, cotton buds, two of those, and then below they have some more traditional things like comb, and I believe these are maybe sanitary napkin bags, and then your nail file. should you need that. Moving right along, you have a nice big soaking tub, which is amazing. Of course, you've got your fountain right here. It also has a hand wash. We all know that when we get in the tub sometimes, it is tough to make sure you really get clean and rinse everything off. So I love when that feature is included. You'll see this beautiful mirrored door. You can actually close it completely so you have a little bit more privacy, or leave it open. For the tour, I'm leaving it open. Here you've got some towels, hand towels, and you've got your bathing towels. I'm going to come right around this little loop. You've got closet space. Now, this is a room tour, but it is a lived-in room tour. So I'm only going to show you one of the closets because, quite frankly, all of the stuff that I pulled together so I could shoot this video is in this closet right here. So we'll just focus on this one. You have, of course, your ironing board. It is not a steamer, it is an actual iron. So if you need that, it's there. They have a flashlight for emergencies. They have two nice plush robes. Very nice. Terry cloth. And they have some slippers, 2 pair as well. Same sort of material. Okay. Moving right along, and again, remember you've got these 2 extra spaces for closet space. This does open. I'm glad I opened it. There's nothing in here. So again, more space. Looks like you can get your laundry services should you need, a shoe bag. They have a shoe mitt, a sewing kit, your safe, and some more storage space. Maybe some shoes. I don't know. Go crazy. All right, then we're turning around and they've got a little bar area. The little mini bar is included. You've got your wine glasses, your drinking glasses, your coffee, tea, espresso. It does have an espresso-like machine, complete with a couple of options for tea and little coffee pods as well, a couple of those. 0 calorie sugar, a few tea options, tea kettle. And it did not come with the sugar. We had added that, but it came with these coconut roll roasted sweet corn. So looking forward to trying that. Then when you look down here, there is a little mini bar. Again, this is complimentary, but to be honest, it is not a lot of options in here. They've got 4 glasses of water. The water is actually very nice. Glass, super nice. And then they included a grass jelly drink. Looks interesting. And then coconut water. So again, included, not a lot of options. So you will need to bring a snack, but this is something to hold you over. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead into the actual room. All right, to the left, you've got your bed, you've got your night tables, you have switches to control your lights to the left. Nice big king size bed. Remember, this tour is a lived-in tour. There's already been some bed jumping or sitting, so notice the dents. It was nice and probably steamed prior to our arrival. Another little night lamp over here, fixtures, telephone, a little seated area, perfect for watching television. We're going to get to this view shortly, but okay, never mind. We're going to look at the view again now. Look at this. Lumpini Park, the lake, absolutely beautiful. All of the Bangkok traffic, the city skyline. This is why it's worth it. But stepping back to the room tour, you've got a little desk right over here. Of course, little waste basket, little chair. This desk does pull out. if you need an extra space, maybe a laptop, working on some documents. They, of course, have a TV right here, little area under the television. This door right here is a connector door. There's absolutely nothing on the other side. I will open it for the purpose of this tour. See, another room. I'm assuming you can connect those if you need multiple rooms. And again, you can close that door if you want to shut that area off completely. The bathroom is pretty private with the exception of the bathtub, but you can use the restroom and shower in privacy, but the bathtub is open unless you slide those sliders. So this is probably going to be more of like a couple, maybe single person room. And then we're going to come on out, and that is the tour. So we will look at some more things around the hotel shortly, but I wanted to show you the room first so you can get a feel. So far, so good. Checkout was great. They brought the baggage up, even gave us a welcome drink, so that was nice. It did take a little while. I don't know if the room wasn't ready and it was a stall tactic, or if that is just how long it takes, but I'd say maybe it took about 10, 15, maybe even 20 minutes to get checked in. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. And if you find yourself in Bangkok, I would say this hotel is a good option. All right. Talk to you later. Bye. Travel, lifestyle, food. If that's your vibe, let's connect.